In the name of Allah, the gracious, the merciful. Dear students, hope you are all fine. Today I am sharing another video lecture with you. This is lecture number 19, and the topic of this lecture is techniques and types of paragraph writing. In this lecture, I will define paragraph. I will discuss about techniques of paragraph writing. I will also teach you different types of paragraph writing. At the end of this lecture, you will be able to know about different types of paragraphs. You will also be able to know about different techniques of writing a paragraph. First of all, I will talk about what is paragraph. A paragraph is a group of sentences with unity of purpose. It moves around one central idea. The central idea is usually stated in a topic sentence. All the other sentences in the paragraph contribute to the central idea. It means that they develop the central idea and make it strong. Now I will talk about different techniques for paragraph writing. We can write or develop a paragraph by adopting different techniques. However, few techniques given below are commonly used. The first is place. If the paragraph is related to the mention of some place, write it in the beginning. Treat it as a topic sentence. All the other sentences must be related to the topic sentence. Suppose we are talking about Pakistan, its history, its people, and its crops. We shall write it in this manner. Pakistan is known for its specific place history. All the other supporting sentences will refer to Pakistan. Now the question is this, that how supporting sentences are written. There are many ways in which we can develop and clarify a topic sentence. Supporting sentences can be written with the help of these four things. We can conclude them in the supporting sentences. They are as follows. The first, examples. The second, details. The third, anecdotes. The fourth, facts and statistics. For example, if I say that specific intents that explains an idea. Details. Add details of the topic sentence. Facts and figures. In order to make your paragraph realistic and argumentative, add facts and figures. These facts and figures must be realistic and correct. The second is time. Sometimes you have to write a paragraph related to time. Time can be indicated in ascending order or in descending order. In ascending order, suppose we write about a series of events that took place beginning from 1857 to 2018. We begin from 1857 and will take it to 2018. This is ascending order. This way of writing keeps the reader interested because he wants to know the nature of coming incidents. The other way of writing time is the descending order. In this way, writing you will start from 2018 and end it on 1857. Sometimes we write a paragraph writing the numerals as first, second, and third. For example, the first reason for attaining good marks in the examination, the second reason for attaining. This way of writing is called process. In this, we arrange the material of paragraph step by step. In order to show time clauses, we often use the following words: while, as, when, before, after, until, etc. And then cause and effect. If we have to develop a paragraph about some topic in which results of an evil are going to be traced, we should focus on its cause first. Suppose we want to study the nature of growing crimes in society, we should first of all discuss the causes which are responsible for crimes in society. We shall write as such: the first reason for the increase of crime in society is lack of education, enlarge it. The second reason for the increase of crime in society is poverty. Then similarities. In supporting sentences of a paragraph, we can quote similar examples happening in events. This will strengthen our argument. Last but not the least is differences. In a paragraph, we can compare and contrast a thing. In this way, we can highlight the different aspects of that thing. This can be done by constructing the qualities of different things. This will also strengthen the topic sentence. We can develop a paragraph very well if we strengthen the topic sentence by the use of techniques mentioned above. So these are different techniques for paragraph writing. So by keeping these techniques in mind, you can write a well-netted paragraph. Now I'll talk about different types of paragraphs. Paragraphs can be classified into many types. We may classify them according to their subject matter or according to their form. A paragraph dealing with a scientific subject may be called a scientific paragraph. A paragraph which describes something may be called a descriptive paragraph. There are four different types of paragraphs: descriptive, narrative, expository, argumentative, and reflective. Now I will discuss all these types one by one. The first type of paragraph is descriptive paragraph. In a descriptive paragraph, we describe some place, person, or thing, which could be real or imaginary. Typical examples of such paragraphs are a character, sketch of people, description of an event, festival, or program. Now the question is this: that how to write descriptive paragraph. Dwell on the significant details of the paragraph, like the surrounding, the weather, time. Use all five senses, namely sense of sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing. Quotations are loved. One may add bits of reflection or mediation even. A good descriptive paragraph is full, systematic, and attractive. So now the question is that what do you mean by fullness in descriptive paragraph? In a descriptive paragraph, it is obtained by giving all important or essential details. It can be systematic if we chalk out a plan, what we are going to write. So this was all about descriptive paragraph, that whenever we describe something, whether that is place, that is person, that is thing, and we use all our five senses, and we also, you can say that, use quotations, this kind of paragraph is called descriptive paragraph. Then we have another type of paragraph, that is narrative paragraphs. In narrative paragraphs, we move from point to point, relating historical events or the story of man's life. The main thing to do is to start attractively, to keep moving on smoothly, and to come to logical close. A narrative paragraph can be about the life of a famous personality or about some event. It may deal with the journey, with an adventure of an imaginary action. A good narrative paragraph has the following qualities: it has a plot, it has a proper length, neither too short or not too lengthy. It has a descriptive element. It keeps on moving till it reaches the logical end. It has a personal interest. So these are different qualities of a narrative paragraph. So in narrative paragraph, this thing is important, that you need to move from point to point and you need to explain something in detail, and especially the historical event. Then the another kind of paragraph is expository paragraphs. An expository paragraph is one in which the writer is called upon to explain or expose something. It is concerned with facts and information. It does not deal with the thoughtful or meditative ideas. Now the question is this: that how to write expository paragraph. An expository paragraph is an orderly whole, and it has to deal with facts. These facts are arranged logically, and at time a conclusion is drawn from them. Suppose you have to write a paragraph on computer. First of all, you have to describe the invention and the mechanism of computer. Then you dwell on its advantages and disadvantages. In the end, you should describe the latest developments or improvement of computers. Now, there are different qualities of good expository paragraph. A good expository paragraph provides full details of topic under discussion. The second is the facts and figures are correct and truthful, and the third is the arrangement of facts is orderly. So this is all about expository paragraph, that it is connected with facts and information. The fourth type of paragraph is reflective paragraphs. Reflective paragraphs deals with our meditation and reflective thinking. They deal with literary, critical, poetic, and argumentative topics. Now the question is that how to write reflective paragraphs. One should think about the topic and what one has to write about, or one should think of quotation one can use in the paragraph, or some order should be given to the reflective ideas and thoughts. A good reflective paragraph provides fresh thoughts to its readers. So these are different kinds of paragraphs: descriptive, narrative, expository, and reflective. And I hope that you have got the concept. Dear students, in this lecture we discussed different techniques of paragraph writing and different types of paragraph writing. I hope you have got the concept. Thank you.